Here's how you can go into the memory settings and free up any of background apps running in the background, and you get the option to clear it all out. And let's get started. This is for Samsung phones with One UI 7.0. Whether you want to do this today or tomorrow or next year, go ahead and use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle right there. Once in the main settings of your Samsung phone, go down until you reach the part that says device care. So it's all the way to the bottom section here, right there. You'll see device care right here. Now, once you enter here, you'll see these different options. Then you'll want to go to where it says memory right here. You can tap on it. Then it'll take you here. It'll run the scan for you automatically, and it's going to show you how much you can clean up now. You can also tap on the view more to see what else is running in the background. And if there's anything you currently don't want to stop running in the background, simply just uncheck it so that it would not be cleared out and refresh that particular app just in case you don't want to do it. All right. So for example, let's just say this one here, and then you'll notice how the numbers are reduced here. So when I add it in, it's going to be 79, and then without it, 708. So just showing you how much of a difference there is here. Now, when you're ready to clear out everything or just some of them, depending on what you select, just go ahead with clean now. It's going to show you it's cleaning, and it'll just give you the reduced numbers here. And that's going to clear out your memory cache for your Samsung phone, freeing up some space, and you should be good to go for the time being. And you can just do this like once or twice a day just for the sake of preventing apps from running in the background unnecessarily, like and so.